Hello, this is Cyberjogging. Today I'm going to talk about United States Tax Lien Association. What it is they offer free lessons on how to invest in tax liens and tax deeds, and how and where to find them from tax lien certificates to tax lien investment, and the cost of it is very low risk. If, let's say, the house has a tax lien of $1,000, you need only put 10% in as a deposit. If you win the bid, you'll get the tax lien. Let's say you pay $10 for deposit and they want the remaining. After about 30 days, 1 week, you pay it up as money order, a check, or use a debit card. They only accept cash. You cannot put on a credit card. Like the IOU later. They want the money now. That's what the county wants and the state. So it's based on a percentage. Okay, let's say for California, you can get like 24% for Orange County. And then each county will tell you what type of property it is after you did some research, better research ahead of time. Then you know an investor testing is safe investment, no risk. If you don't win the bid, you get your money back, mail back. Yeah. After the auction closed, they start mail back your check, say $1,000, mail it all back to you. If you just managed to only find one property. And you'll receive that check within 35 business days. And if you win the bid, you won the house, no problem. If the person pay back they give them a timeline to pay back before the foreclosure. After it reaches past the foreclosure time, then you'll have to go to tax deed, which is another part. Like you bid, you win. If no one buys your tax deed, when you can put it for auction again, and that's filing for foreclosure. If someone bids on your tax deed, you sell it to the highest bidder, you get your cash plus interest, so you make money on both sides in the tax lien and tax deed. If no one wants to buy that property, you keep the house pretty much free and clear. After that, just pay the county's record recording fee, and that's pretty much it. And you'll talk with the lawyer about the necessary documents. Then they turn the key over to you to the house, and they already start the eviction process for kick out the previous owner who already lost their house. And then pretty much from there, you can go into the house, check it out. Then you can choose two methods. You want to keep the house? You only spend money for repairs or anything. You want a house for $1,000? That's good. Because it wipes out all the also buy title insurance, so you don't have to pay any. If someone go after the owner, right now you're the current owner, they'll go after you like, oh, you owe money to the bank or somewhere else. So if there's a government lien on it, you'll have to pay any government, like any tax lien. If there's more than one tax lien, you pay all of it off, and it becomes your property. And it'll give you a time frame, maybe like 30 days to get that much money. It's usually not a lot. It could be like 1,000 for first tax lien. Next one could be like 500, 400, 300, another 1,000 or something. But how many years the property owner not pay tax on it? And the redemption period to own the house usually range from 6 months to 5 years, depending on the state and the county. In California, it's total of 3 years. So this tax lien association will teach you about accelerated tax lien. They have training videos. It's free. You get you get a free 7-day trial Gives you all the details on how to invest in tax liens. Just enter your name, email address, and time zone. And they also have important facts, return on investment. If you did $5,000 investment, you can get up to 25%, depending on your state. So like tax lien certificate for Texas, 25%. New Jersey is 18%. Arizona is 16%. What it means is they'll give you that percent for that state, but you have to go down to the county. Okay, the county, it can range 16% or lower. Let's say the lowest is about like 5%. 5%, 16%. That's not bad investment. If the owner pays it off earlier, you get your original investment, the percentage, and any penalties or fees. And they have different percentages. There's no credit card required for the free training program, so you can learn for free. These are some typical examples. Right. Someone bought taxing for $507.78. The interest is 18%. So 18% times $507 is like about $20-$30 for it. So 507 plus $30. 547, you made $40 profit. That's maybe 1 month or 2 months if they pay it off. It's a good investment. This is considered a side hustle, but you can do it full time on multiple properties. And you hope that the owner cannot pay back. Gain the property. Gain the property, what you do with it, you can turn it into a rental. You can fix it up and resell it, and then you can make a few $100,000 profit. That's the big investment. So the assessed value is $468,200 for the property. Market value is $480. So you sell below market value. Let's say you sell $468,000. You only bought $537. And you have to include title insurance, closing costs. So you spend about $2,000. You just bought the property. So minus that from the 468, you're averaging about $465,000. Let's make it even. With the property. Property is very good. It's a very big property, 2,689 square feet. Lots. I've done this for a while. So far, most homeowners pay off. This is a small 10% chance you get the property free and clear, and you get to keep the property. That's a small percent, maybe like 20%. Hey, let's check out. The two owners are Tony Martinez, which is this guy over here. This is Sean Higgins, is they're both partners. New facts, blogs. To contact them is mostly look like through email. Email, and you can call them only Pacific time, so about 3 hour difference. Say New Jersey, right now Eastern time, 11:30 a.m. California, 3 hours back, 10:98, 8 in the morning. So just the time. So right now they're closed. You gotta wait until 12 o'clock. Yeah, see the free lesson. You can do this for free. These are like basic 101. If you design to sign up for the program, you have to attend the seminar in live. So as of today, it doesn't look like they're offering the seminar right now. Let's see, what does members get? Okay, they have a home study course. And while it's loading on ultimate listings. What the ultimate listing service is, they have all the properties. They already collect all this information. They sell it to you. You just invest in it, and then at the end, you'll make money from it. Okay, for login area, what do you get in international clients? EIN number, generate towards of international clients if you become international. Access to online auctions for tax lien and tax deed when the dates are. Frequently asked questions, a glossary. Resources are helpful to tax lien and investor. You can download documents for free for a member to use. So in order to qualify for this, all is different. So the alternate listing service is different, all the information. So in order to become a member, it's like a paid subscription plan. It doesn't specify on the website how much it costs. So let's see. What is the ultimate listing service provide? I think it's everything in the home course, study course, plus additional stuff. They'll tell you which states are taxing, tax deeds, online sales, or over the counter, or hybrid. Okay, when a hybrid, that means they do taxing, tax deeds, but also they do IRS sales. So check up on that. Company, roughly about, say copyright 2020, so the company's relatively been on the market since last year. So we have 3 lessons. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone so they know about United States Tax Lien Association. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.